Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Okay, we will start it now. Last lecture that Hall effect is completed. Okay, then will assignment questions are given or not? How many questions are given?
One.
Only one question, right? Second question number 2. Define. Everyone, please mute yourself. Define. First question is given last time with energy band diagram. Explain classification of solids. Okay. Then second, write it. Define Fermi level. Define Fermi level. State. Define Fermi level. State. Fermi direct. State Fermi direct. Probability distribution function. Define Fermi level. State Fermi direct. Probability distribution function. Then write question number 3. Show that position of Fermi level. Show that position of Fermi level.
Sir, please repeat.
Question number 2 is written. Define Fermi level.
Question number 2, sir, please.
Okay, define Fermi level. State Fermi direct probability distribution function. Define Fermi level. State Fermi direct probability distribution function. Okay, this is Fermi direct probability distribution function. Define Fermi level. State Fermi direct probability distribution function. Write question number 3. Show that position of Fermi level. Show that position of Fermi level in. First write it. Show that position of Fermi level in. First means A intrinsic, comma B n type, and C p type semiconductors. Question number 3. Show the position of Fermi level for first A intrinsic, comma B n type and C p type semiconductors. Question number 3. Right. Question number 4. Define the following terms. Right. First, valence band means VB. Define the following terms. Right. First, VB means valence band. Second, conduction band. And third, forbidden band. Define the following terms. First, valence band. Second, conduction band. And third, forbidden band. Next, question number 5, na? Write it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 5. Explain effect of impurity concentration. On Fermi level. Explain effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. First write it n type. And second, p type semiconductors. semiconductors. Next question number 6. Show that Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor lies lies midway between किंवा halfway halfway between valence band and conduction band. Show that Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor lies halfway between valence band and conduction band. Means derivation for EFIN means Fermi level for intrinsic type of semiconductor. Last 5 marks question. Okay, these all these first 6 questions for 3 marks. Last question, write it.
Sir, repeat again, sir.
कुठला क्वेश्चन रिपीट करायचा आहे? show that Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor lies halfway halfway between valence band and conduction band. Halfway between valence band and conduction band. Okay, over? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question, write it. Last question. What is Hall effect? What is Hall effect? Derive the relation for Hall voltage. Derive the relation for Hall voltage and Hall coefficient. Derive the relation for Hall voltage and Hall coefficient. Hall voltage and Hall coefficient. Derive the relation for Hall voltage and Hall coefficient. Now we'll discuss multiple choice questions now, one by one. First, question number 1. Anyone give the answers? I will tell the roll numbers. That roll number will give the answers. Okay, that participants list I will keep here. Okay, semiconductor that contains. लिहून घेत आहे का कसं? का नुसतं डिस्कस करायचे?
डिस्कस करू म्हणून सर.
आणि नंतर लिहायचं कधी?
सर लिहितो.
नंतर लिहिता लिहा मग. सेमीकंडक्टर दॅट कंटेन्स. आता लिहिता का नंतर?
नंतर लिहितो सर रेकॉर्डिंग बघून.
लिहा फास्ट होत आहे. आन्सर्स फक्त आन्सर्स लिहू आपण. लिहा सेमीकंडक्टर दॅट कंटेन्स. लिहा आता लगेच. सेमीकंडक्टर दॅट कंटेन्स donor atoms and free electrons. Semiconductor that contain donor atoms and free electrons belongs to the type. Anyone? Answer is roll number 2. Roll number 2, please tell the answer. Semiconductor that contains donor atoms and free electrons belong to the type. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Roll number 2. Roll number 3. Roll number 3. Yes, no, kaitari response.
N type, sir.
N type, right? N type. Answer is N type. N type. Then next. Second MCQ. According to band theory, metal has Roll number 13, Babar. Abhijit Babar. According to band theory, metal has. Tell yes, no, anything.
Only conduction electron.
Okay, only conduction electrons, right? Answer C, only conduction electrons. According to band theory, metal has only conduction electrons. Okay, then next MCQ. Acceptor type semiconductor. Let it. Acceptor type semiconductor is formed. Acceptor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of valency. Anyone? Acceptor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of valency. Acceptor type. Acceptor type. N type or P type acceptor means?
P type.
P type. What is the answer? Answer.
3.
3,
C.
na? 3. Okay, write it 3. Acceptor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of valency 3. Right, answer 3. Okay, next write it. The Hall coefficient RH is dash for metal. I will tell roll number 14. Bamni. Roll number 14. 1-4. Will tell the answer. The Hall coefficient RH is dash for metal. Yes, no, kaitari. 14, 1-4. प्रथमेश प्रतीश है ना प्रतीश कौन सांगता है एनीवन
Negative.
Negative. Correct. Negative. Answer is negative. The Hall coefficient RH dash for metal, it is negative. Right, next. In p-type semiconducting material, the majority carriers are जे क्वेश्चनला रिस्पॉन्स देणार नाही त्यांचे ॲब्सेंटी मांडणार आहे आणि CC कडे देणार आहे मी कॉल करायला आज पालकांना. ठीक आहे. In p-type semiconducting material, the majority carriers are 15 number. आता 14 झालाय मग विचारलंय 14 ला. No response from 14. 15 number. 1 5 15. 1 5 15. बोराडे आशिष.
होल सर.
Holes na? Holes. Right, answer is holes. Okay, correct. Next, semiconductor that contains acceptor atoms and holes. Semiconductor that contains acceptor atoms and holes belongs to the type. Semiconductor that contains acceptor atoms and holes belongs to the type.
P type.
P-type. Okay.
Sir. P type, sir.
Next, donor type semiconductor.
सर फास्ट होते हो.
फास्ट होते. ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे. आता सेमीकंडक्टर दॅट कंटेन्स इथं लिहिलं, पी टाईप लिहिलं, MCQ नंबर 6 लिहिलं का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 7 I will take slowly though. Donor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of valency. Donor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of valency 5. Okay, Elton, झालं का हे? सर्वांचं झालं? Okay, next. Okay, next.
Sir.
There is no hole current. 8 number, write it. There is no hole current in good conductors. There is no hole current in good conductors because what is the answer?
D.
D.
All overlapping values and
Have
conduction.
overlapping valence and conduction
Valence
band.
band and conduction band.
Okay, write it. Have overlapping of valence and conduction band. Have overlapping of valence and conduction band. Can I take next? Okay, 9 number.
Yes, sir.
The distinction between conductors, semiconductors, and insulators is largely concerned with the distinction between conductors, insulators, and semiconductors is largely concerned with huh,
A.
C. Okay. Which one answer? Which answer is correct? First one is their ability to conduct current.
Is ability to conduct.
Okay, right answer A is correct. Their ability to conduct current. Their ability to conduct current. A is correct. Their ability to conduct current. Then 10 number, at room temperature, silicon acts as room temperature विचारलंय. रूम टेम्परेचर म्हणलंय, 0 केल्विन म्हटलेलं नाहीये. रूम टेम्परेचर.
Semiconductors.
Conductor.
रूम टेम्परेचर. विच आंसर इज करेक्ट? Semiconductor. Insulator nahi hai, semiconductor. Correct it here. Semiconductor. At room temperature, silicon acts as a semiconductor. A is correct. Answer A is correct here. Okay, the C ले ले. I will also make the changes. Okay, I will correct it afterwards. ठीक है. Next. Write it. At room temperature, silicon acts like that. The band gap energy of silicon is approximately. The band gap energy of silicon is approximately. Silicon ची किती आहे हो? What is band gap energy of silicon?
1.1 electron volt.
1.1 electrons volt.
1.1 electron. What is band gap energy of germanium? Okay.
0.74.
0.74.
74.
Okay. Next 12. Doping material are called impurities. Doping materials are called impurities because they, I will tell the roll number 9. The roll number 9, please unmute yourself and tell. Doping materials are called impurities because they, roll number 9, Jagtap.
Option C.
Option C, makes semiconductor less than 100% pure. Okay, correct. Right answer, makes semiconductor less than 100% pure. Makes semiconductor less than 100% pure. Okay, C is correct. Written. Can I take next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 13. The band gap energy of germanium फासले आहे, झालंय मग आपण डिस्कस केलंय. Band gap energy of germanium is किती आहे हो? 0.7.
0.7 electron volt.
7 electron volt.
0.7 electron volt. Write it. 0.7 electron volt. Germanium is 0.7 electron volt. Then next, the Fermi level lies 40 number. The Fermi level lies at middle of the valence band and conduction band for Fermi level lies at middle of the valence band and conduction band for dash material. Roll number 16, Dake, Bhargav. The Fermi level lies at middle of valence band and conduction band for
C, sir.
C for pure semiconductor. And where is the position of Fermi level for N type? N type ची कुठं असते हो? डाके. Where is the position of Fermi level for N type? डाके Bhargav. डाके.
No, sir.
No.
Just above the conduction band.
Above का below?
Below, sir.
आणि where is the position of Fermi level for P type?
So
Just
valence
above
band
the
चे
valence
वर.
Just above the valence band.
Valence band.
Okay. Next, write it. In N type moderately doped semiconductor. तेच आपण पुढचे MCQ डिस्कस केलं आता. In N type moderately doped
valence band.
semiconductor, Fermi level position is in N type moderately doped semiconductor, Fermi level position is कुठला ऑप्शन करेक्ट आहे यातला?
C.
C answer. What is answer?
C.
Near and
Near and conduction band.
below the conduction band. Write it. Near and below the conduction band. Right answer. Near and below the conduction band. Near and below the conduction band. Written. In N-type moderately doped semiconductor, Fermi level position is near and below the conduction band. Okay. Next, positive holes are present in holes कुठल्या बँड मध्ये असतात? व्हॅलन्स बँड मध्ये, कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये आणि फॉरबिडन बँड मध्ये. Where holes are present?
Valence
Valence band.
Holes are present in which band? Valence band.
Valence band.
Right answer, valence band. Holes are present in a valence band. Positive holes are present in a valence band. Okay, B option. Okay, written. Positive holes are present in valence band. At next, 17. In P-type moderately doped semiconducting material. In P-type moderately doped semiconducting material, Fermi level position is discuss केले अगोदर आपण. I will tell number, roll number I will tell. 22 Pratik. Roll number 22 Pratik Gosavi. What is the answer of this? Yes, no, either otherwise I will write absent here. If you are not responding, then 22 Pratik Gosavi. I will take another number. 27 Naneshwari Lokhande. 27. This answer. In P-type moderately doped semiconducting material, Fermi level position is
near and above valence band.
Near and above the valence band. Okay, near and above the valence band means D option is correct. Okay, then write next MCQ number 18. To produce the Hall voltage, material used. Ganesh, roll number 39. Kaladone Ganesh.
All of this.
म्हणजे पी टाइप, एन टाइप आणि मेटल सगळेच. मेटलला कुठला निगेटिव्ह व्होल्टेज तयार होत आहे, एन टाइपला निगेटिव्ह होते, पी टाइपला पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज. ओके, टू प्रोड्यूस द हॉल व्होल्टेज द मटेरियल यूज्ड इज एन टाइप, पी टाइप अँड मेटल्स. ठीक आहे. then 19 write it. Hall voltage can be produced in metal oblique semiconductor material. Hall voltage can be produced in metal oblique semiconductor material by First A option is application of only magnetic field. B option application of only electric field. C option application of both electric and magnetic field. And D option none of these. Which option is correct? Hall voltage can be produced in metal oblique semiconducting material by roll number 40 Karande 40 Sri Prasad Karande.
Application of both magnetic and electric.
Okay, application of both magnetic and electric field. Okay, correct. Write it. Answer, write it. Application of both magnetic and electric field. Application of both magnetic and electric field. Okay, then write next 20. Hall effect helps to determine. Hall effect helps to determine. The applications बघितले ते आपण Hall effect चे. On this application, this MCQ is on applications. Hall effect helps to determine. Roll number 42 Ranjit Kankal.
All of this, the sign of charge carrier, the charge carrier concentration, the mobility of charge carriers, all of
Means
this.
all of these. Instead of writing all of these, write applications. Hall effect helps to determine. First write it, the sign of the charge carrier. B write it, the charge carrier concentration. And C write it, the mobility of charge carrier. हे सगळेच लिहायचे आन्सर मध्ये. Don't write only all of these. Okay. किंवा चारही ऑप्शन लिहा मग all of these लिहा. First write it, the sign of the charge carriers. Second write it, the charge carrier concentration. C write it, the mobility of charge carriers. And D write it, all of these. Write all 4 options. Okay, or can I take next?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The Fermi direct distribution function. Right, next. The Fermi direct distribution function. The Fermi direct distribution function is given by Fermi direct distribution function is given by 47 Pooja Ronge. Roll number 47. What is Fermi direct probability distribution function? Pooja Ronge.
Equal to 1 upon.
Correct, please. F of E is equal to F of E is equal to Pooja 47. Unmute yourself. Yes, no, काहीतरी unmute तर करा अगोदर. F of E is equal to कौन सांगते हैं?
Option A, sir.
A. F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. Okay. Right, next.
सर ते 1 मायनस आहे ना.
कुठला? F of E is equal to 1 dividing
One
by
minus.
1 minus है.
1 plus.
Sorry, 1 plus है.
Plus
बरोबर.
dot,
Plus पाहिजे. F
Oh,
of
sir,
E is
B है,
equal to B option is correct.
B.
Okay. 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. B option is correct. 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. B is correct. Then write next. Hall voltage produced in Hall effect is Hall voltage produced in Hall effect is A option parallel to applied electric field, B option parallel to applied magnetic field only, C option parallel to both applied electric and magnetic field, and D option perpendicular to both applied electric and magnetic field. Which option is correct? कौन सांगता है?
D.
B. कुठला ऑप्शन आहे? D ना?
D.
Okay, perpendicular to both applied electric and magnetic field. Write it, perpendicular to both applied electric and magnetic field. Okay, perpendicular to both applied electric and magnetic field. Right, next MCQ. The Hall coefficient RH, repeat झालं बहुतेक, is dash for P type करू आपण इथं आता चेंज करा थोडंसं लिहिताना. Hall coefficient RH is dash for P type. हां, P type ला काय असतं? Positive ना? Okay, right, positive answer. Make the changes. The Hall coefficient RH is dash for P type. P type is positive. Written? Okay. Next. The mobility mu is given by कौन सांगताय? रोल नंबर 51.
ऑप्शन ए सर.
A option mu is equal to
O into RL. सिग्मा into R.
सिग्मा नो रो म्हणलं रो करेक्ट नाहीये. हा पहिला ऑप्शन ए नाही. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. mu is equal to sigma into RH. mu is equal to sigma into RH. Option C is correct. Mobility mu is equal to sigma into RH. Then write next. The Hall coefficient RH for n-type semiconductor is
Negative.
negative.
sir.
Negative. RH is negative. And last.
सर 25 क्वेश्चन एक मिनिट रिपीट म्हणजे मागे जाणं स्लाइड लिहायचं.
कशाचं?
25.
काय 25 घ्यायचं आहे का? लिहायचं राहिलं 25. द हॉल कोएफिशिएंट RH is RH for n type semiconductor is. हे रिपीट होते म्हणून मी घेतलं नाही सारखं सारखं तेच.
झालं.
26. The conductivity of a metal is. What is conductivity? Sigma is equal to conductivity sigma is equal PE into mu. Write it. Conductivity sigma is equal to PE into mu. Sigma is equal to PE into mu. Okay. Then numericals. इक्वेशन्स लिहिलेत का सगळ्यांनी? इम्पॉर्टंट इक्वेशन मी 5 इक्वेशन सांगितले होते, लिहिलेत ना?
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन 26 घेता सर.
हां, कंडक्टिविटी सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू PE इंटू म्यू आहे. 26 आहे कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ मटेरियल इज सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू PE इंटू म्यू. ते कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ मटेरियल इज सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू PE इंटू म्यू. लिहिलं 26? Yes or no? Okay.
हो सर.
Then write MCQ example number 1.
सर असाइनमेंट कुठल्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचं?
पेजेसवर लिहा किंवा पेजेसवर लिहा, आपण सबमिट करायला सोपं जाईल तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे.
ओके सर.
पेजेसवर लिहून स्टेपल करून नंतर आणून कधी ज्यावेळेस येचाल त्यावेळेस माझ्याकडे द्या किंवा आपण फोटो काढून पाठवले तरी चालतील मला व्हॉट्सअपला. ठीक आहे.
हे MCQ पण सर असाइनमेंट मध्ये लिहायचे?
हा, MCQ पण लिहायचे. 26 MCQ लिहायचे आणि हे असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन्स लिहायचे बाकीचे. ठीक आहे.
आणि हे न्यूमरिकल्स?
न्यूमरिकल्स सांगतोय का? बघू द्या झाल्यानंतर 5 न्यूमरिकल्स आहेत. राईट इट. फर्स्ट न्यूमरिकल आणि एन टाईप जर्मेनियम सॅम्पल सर्वांनी लिहायचं आहे न्यूमरिकल. आणि एन टाईप जर्मेनियम सॅम्पल हॅज टेस्ट कधी सांगितलं OCCनी? का सांगितली नाही डेट?
नाही सर, अजून सांगितलेलं
डेट टाकल्या मग टाकायला होतं ग्रुपवर आज. An n-type germanium sample has a donor density of 10 raised to 21. Donor density of 10 raised to 21 per meter cube. It is arranged in a Hall experiment. Having magnetic field of 0.5 Tesla and the current density is current density is 500 ampere. Everyone write your roll number in chat box. And the current density is 500 ampere per meter square. 500 ampere per meter square. Find the hall voltage. Find the hall voltage if the sample is 3 millimeter wide. Sample is 3 millimeter wide. Okay, how to solve the numericals? First step is write all the given quantities. Second step, convert all the quantities into the required units. And third, choose a correct formula. Fourth step,